Gandang araw sa ating lahat. Pag-aaral natin dito ang security management. What is security first? Security, a state or condition of being secured. There is freedom from fear, harm, danger, loss, destruction, or damage. Okay. Pag isang tao nagtatrabaho sa isang industry at may security, nagiging may freedom siya, and then nalilis yung danger sa kanila. Okay. Ang security din or security guard, sila po yung nagbabantay sa isang establishment. Okay. Security management. It is a totality utilizing available resources to secure and keep safe of the organization. Ito. Ang security management ay binubuo ng mga tao. Halimbawa, ito si Juan. Yan. Yan. Drawing ko. Ito si Juan. Matatawag bang security management yan? No. Ang tinatawag na security management, kung marami sila, yan yung tinatawag na security management na may nag-head sa kanila, na may nagmamanage sa kanila. Okay. Let's proceed to major areas. Meron siyang tatlong areas, which is physical security, personal security, document and information security. Unahin natin itong physical security. Ano ba itong physical security? This concern with the physical measures adopted to prevent unauthorized access to equipment, facilities, material, and document, and to safeguard them against espionage, sabotage, damage, loss, and theft. Yan. Yung physical security, security guard itself. Yan. Para yun sila yung mga nagbabantay sa mga facilities. Binabantayan nila yung mga gamit, magayon para maiwasan yung mawala yung mga gamit. Okay. Personal security. This is important as physical security starts even before the hiring of an employee and remains to be maintained for as long as the person is employed. Yan, personal security. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, itong mga to, ito si Juan, si Pedro, Penduko. Ito yung kanilang inspector. Tapos ito yung mga security guard. So, ito yung tinatawag na si Juan ay isang personnel security. Yan, pero pag pumunta siya sa isang establishment, matatawag din siyang physical security. Pero, so-called, tinatawag ng security guard. Okay. Document and information security. This involves the protection of documents and classified papers for lost access by an authorized person, damage, theft, and compromise through disclosure. Okay. Sa document and information security naman, meron din tayo ditong mga confidential, may mga kulay yan na tinatawag. Classified as security. Pag sinabi nilang kulay blue yung kulay. Ano ba yung confidential ba yun? Yun. Then classified. Yun yung mga document and information security. Kung saan sila may ipapaloob. Yan. Para malis yung unauthorized person. Yan. Okay, next. Dito naman tayo sa types of security. Ano ba to? Industrial security. Okay, industrial. Magdodrawing tayo. Sa building. Yan. Sabi natin, bahay yan. Ay, building. Building yan ha. Sabi natin building. Industry siya. Agriculture. Yan. Or mga warehouse. Warehouse yan. Nagpapaloob yung mga supply, mga ganyan. Pag pumunta ang isang security guard dito, ang tawag dito sa sinisecure niya dito is industrial security. Yun. A type of security applies to business groups engaged in industries like manufacturing, assembling, research and development, processing, warehousing, and even agriculture. Okay. Yung mga nagbabantay sa mga factory, yung mga nagbabantay sa factory, sila yung industrial security. Okay. Next. Ito naman, apa natin hotel. Okay. Sabihin natin hotel dito. O, kanina, warehouse yan is industrial security. Okay, pagpalagay naman natin hotel yan. Hotel. Maraming bisita, ganyan, mga turista, yan. Ang tawag naman doon is hotel security. A type of security applied to hotels where its properties are protected from pilferage, loss, damage, and the function in the hotel. Restaurant are not disturbed and troubled by outsiders. And ang binabantayan nila dito, yung mga outsiders dito sa hotel. Yung mga nagnanakaw, maganon kasi may mga mga nagnanakaw. Lalo pag may mga high-ranking officials or VIPs na pupunta sa isang hotel, yun mga binabantayan nila. Okay. Bank security. This type of security is concerned with bank operation. It is main objectives in the protection of bank, cash, and assets. Yan. Pagpalagay natin bangko to. Yan. Maglagay ng isang security or dalawang security guard. Ang tawag sa kanila is bank security. Okay. Next. VIP security, a type of security applied for the protection of top-ranking officials of the government or private entity visiting, standing and foreign dignitaries. Okay. Sa VIP, halimbawa ako, mayor. Mayor ako. Magkakaroon naman ako ngayon ng personal security ko. Ang itatawag ko sa kanila is VIP security. Very important personal security. Yan, sila yung nag-guide sa akin, sila yung nagpro-protekta sa akin. Yan. Yung tawag doon is VIP. Okay. School security. A type of security is concerned with the protection of student, faculty members, and school properties. Security personnel are trained to protect the school property from theft, vandals, handling campus riots, and detecting the use of intoxicated drugs and alcohol by the student. Okay, dito naman yung tawag dito sa guard natin dito sa baba, dito sa school, ay school security. Yan. Next, supermarket or mall security. Okay, na parang paano yan? Alam na natin yan, di ba? Supermarket. Binabantayan nila yung mga magnanakaw dito. A type of security which is concerned with the protection of the store, warehouse, storage, its immediate premises and properties, as well as the supermarket personnel and customers. Security personnel are trained to detect shoplifter, robbery, and bump detection and customer relation. Okay, yan yung mga binabantayan nila. Okay. There are other special types of security. One, airport security. Ano binabantayan naman ng airport security? Ay ang airport. Okay. Communication security. Ito, ano ba yung binabantayan ng communication security? Yung mga signal natin. Gaya ng mga globe, mga ganyan. Okay. Mining security. Yung mga magbabantay sa mga minings, and then agricultural security, then transportation security. Sino yung nagbabantay sa mga paradahan, mga ganun. At yan yung mga types of security.